Hi there, Melody from WTI. Do you like sticker books? This is no ordinary one. This is the Minecraft official survival sticker book. Yeah, let me tell you all about why my son loves it so much. There are so many cool things about this. There's survival tips, there's secret tricks, activities, and of course, one of the best parts, hundreds of stickers. So one of the really cool things is you make your own story, so it's good for them to use their imagination. So for instance, you're in a nice friendly village, but suddenly a dangerous situation arises. So use stickers from your sticker sheet to fill in the gaps to create your own story. So when you turn the page to the sticker sheet, there's so many different things that they can choose from to make their story. So they have different little mob cards here to teach you who the monsters are and how to defend yourself, how to deal with them. They even get you to learn different recipes. It's just a really, really cool teaching book. And even for the science lovers, you're learning all about different biomes. It's really just really neat. I love it. Actually, my son loves it. So if you're looking for a little gift for that Minecraft lover in your life, I suggest this Minecraft survival sticker book. It's hours of fun, over 500 stickers, lots of different activities. I know you're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.